How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for an all new video. If you are new to the channel, this is the first video you're watching, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I make videos like this every week about Miatas, Miata content, car content, pretty much everything automotive. So thanks so much for joining the channel and joining in on this video. I hope you learned something today and I hope you find the videos interesting. This is a video idea that I've had for a little bit and it's kind of just gotten to the point where it's gotten really annoying and it needs to be fixed. It needs to be addressed. And I have everything we need for today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you guys have a similar key, these are just the switchblade keys. And these are from 2011 when the car came out. Probably have had the same exact batteries in it. It just really doesn't work anymore. So we need to throw some new batteries in it. I know battery replacement isn't like the most exciting content, but it's something that I don't have on my channel, and while I'm trying to make as many videos as I can to be a resource for Miata enthusiasts and Miata owners, I felt that it was necessary to put a video on my channel showing how I do it and what I bought and things like that. So if you're well aware of how to replace your battery, this video might not be for you guys, but if this is for someone watching in the future, if this helps anybody, then it's all the well more worth it for me. I'm gonna dive down to the workbench and we'll get these batteries replaced. So before you change the batteries in your keys, there's a couple things you need to get first. First being batteries. Now, I've seen multiple different kinds of batteries. These are the ones that were in my keys. So I just reordered these ones. They are the CR1620. I ordered Panasonic ones because I felt like they were the most reputable brand out of the ones that I found. I got this pack of 4 off Amazon. If you go down to the link in the description, I will have this pack that I bought. It was like $6. So you can pick this up. And if you do purchase through that Amazon link, the channel gets a little kickback from Amazon. If you've been purchasing the products in the links, thank you for supporting the channel. So let's first break down these keys. Now they're pretty easy to take apart. There's not really a ton to them. It's just kind of a top part here where the switchblade key spring is. This silver part on the bottom comes off and then the key splits in half once you take them out. So I'm gonna do one from far away, kind of this angle right here, so you can get a general overview. And then I'll do one as close up as I can so you can see the parts specifically. You want to take your key and open up the switchblade key portion of it. And I'm using this little Allen to get to the inside part. Inside the key is this little tab in there, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's a clear little break where it almost looks like a little hook tab kind of thing. And you'll see it in the close-ups, but what you'll do, you'll take your whatever thing you want to use. You can use a paper clip too. You push it in, press it down. As you can see, the key separates just like that. So this will be the top part of your key. You don't need this part, you can set it aside. Next, what you're gonna do is take a small flathead screwdriver like I've got here, and you're going to split the key apart. On the top, there's some little tabs to where you can fit a flathead screwdriver in it. All you want to do is just put it inside, give it a twist, and your key will separate to show the circuit board and your battery. Set away the little circuit board. Next, you'll take your flathead screwdriver again, and all you need to do is just put it into your key and pop your battery out just like that. So the battery that's already in here, this is a bad battery, but it is the Panasonic 1620 battery style. So set that aside, open up our new battery. And it goes in with the flat side facing down. So the way I do it is there's like little springs right here. If you set it in on the springs first, kind of just got to set it in there, finagle it around. Once you get it in, you just pop it in like that. Make sure your circuit board looks clean and not burnt out or anything. Mine looks pretty good. It's also a good time when you do this to like clean your battery. Like as you can see on this one, like there's lots of just dirt that's kind of built up from fingers and stuff. So take the time and kind of clean the battery off just to make it look nice. And as I said, this bottom part does come off, but you don't really need to take it off. Sometimes it'll fall off, sometimes it won't. This one's on there pretty good, but it'll slide off just like that, and you basically just slide it back on. If yours does fall off, that way you know. Just take your two halves of your key and make sure they're lined up correctly. They just pop back into place like so. Then you take the top part of your key and slide it back on, close it up, and you are all done. So let's make sure that it works. All right, so this is the same key that I showed you guys at the beginning, and all we did was replace the battery, and now it's working again. And the little trick with these keys is, if you don't know, if you double click the unlock and hold it down on the second click, your windows roll down automatically, which is kind of cool. So now that our key is replaced, I need to replace the other battery in the other one, and I'm going to kind of show a step-by-step process. I'm gonna really do my best to show it up close, but with this camera lens, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. So let's dive back down to the workbench, and then we can wrap this video up with a quick little update at the end. Simple as that. We got our two batteries with fresh new batteries, and yeah, that's how you do it. So these aren't the key fobs, like I know some people have the keyless entry and stuff. These are a trim level for 2011 sport trim NC Miata. Best way to know which batteries you need is to take apart your battery and look at what's already in there, and you can just order a new one. They're pretty cheap. I got two extra, so I probably won't have to replace them for a long time, but at least I have them. And that is how you add new batteries to your key fobs. And one final update before we close this video out. If you guys remember the seatbelt video I did not have the other one. I did pick up the other side, the passenger seatbelt, and still working great. Seats are working perfectly. Driver's side works great. So if you guys have picked these up yet, get excited because it is going to change your life. So that is going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. With that being said, the next few weeks, the holidays are starting to ramp up. Ever since Thanksgiving, it's been kind of hard for me to find a weekend project to do that I can dedicate quite a bit of time to. So I'm going to do my best to make videos for you in the coming weeks. And I'll definitely do like a live stream or something if I can't do a video, because I love the live streams and I haven't done one in quite a while. So stay tuned for those. I probably do those on a weekend. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. Thanks so much for watching and joining on the channel. If you are new, be sure you hit that subscribe button below like I said. Leave your comments, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.